The best rotating brush to clean the bathroom is offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research and reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best rotating brushes to clean the bathroom from trustworthy brands to assist you in deciding on an extensive investigation. I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. If you are tired of kneeling, bending, stretching, or crouching while cleaning your home, the Eyliden Tub Tile Scrubber Brush can be a good solution. With a 180-degree rotation and a flexible brush head, this cleaning tool ensures deep cleaning and scrubbing, garnering several positive reviews. Its handle can extend up to 49 inches, making it convenient and comfortable to use. The tub scrubber also has a hanging holder for easy storage. Item weight: 1.21 pounds. Material: polypropylene steel. Product dimensions: 4.3 liters, x 5.9 watts x 50H. Handle material: alloy steel. Color: brown. Pros: replaceable brush heads, sturdy and durable material, thick sponge pad for effective cleaning, lightweight design, multi-purpose. Cons: may not be scratch-proof, may not be easy to use. Our reviewers' experience: this scrubber's extendable handle and swivel brush are a boon for cleaning without straining my back. I would have liked its bristles to be a bit softer, but the overall brush makes cleaning efficient and less time-consuming. Number 2. Best Compact Matcc Electric Spin Scrubber. A powerful battery-powered bathroom scrubber, Matcc is equipped with 3 replaceable brush heads and the latest handheld design for a comfortable, quick, and efficient cleaning process. You can save time and effectively clean the bathroom with the cordless electric scrub brush that can rotate 360 degrees and provide a rotation speed of 350 RPM. The tried and tested electric bathroom spin scrubber can work continuously for up to 60 minutes when charged for 4 to 5 hours. Batteries: 1 lithium-ion batteries. Required item weight: 15.7 ounces. Product dimensions: 14.96 liters, x 7.68 watts x 3.54H. Handle material: plastic. Color: white. Pros: compact and lightweight design, has an ergonomically designed handle. Different brushes meet different cleaning needs. Waterproof construction, comes with an LED battery indicator. Cons: bristles may not last long. Our reviewers' experience: I always whip out this brush when I have to clean those hard water stains and residue from different bath products. There was a slight learning curve with the amount of pressure to apply, but it became my favorite tool once that part was mastered. Number 3. Best Non-Slip Matcc Shower Cleaning Brush with Extendable Handle MBB001. If you are tired of stretching, Matcc Shower Cleaning Brush is the one you should look at. Its telescopic handle extends from 30.3 inches to 42 inches for a comfortable and effective cleaning session. The brush head is made of high-quality PP material, which can clean the touch areas. The 180-degree rotation angle makes cleaning more convenient. Item weight: 1.26 pounds. Shape: triangular material, iron. Product dimensions: 3.9 liters, x 2 watts x 5.5H. Handle material: iron. Color: yellow. Pros: has a non-slip ergonomic handle, lightweight design with sturdy pole, comes with a hook for easy hanging, useful in cleaning grout lines. The triangular design promises better reach. Cons: movement of the head may be difficult to control. 2 pieces of the rod may be difficult to stick together. Our reviewers' experience: cleaning those tight spaces around the tub and water closet has become a breeze with this brush. Its attachments work well, but the locking mechanism could have been better. Nevertheless, I still consider it a worthwhile find. Number 4. Best Adjustable Broteen Electric Spin Scrubber. Broteen's cordless bathroom cleaning tool is equipped with 3 replacement brushes and runs on batteries. The electric spin scrubber can run up to 30 minutes and takes about 3 hours to charge fully. The 360-degree rotation and high spin speed meet different cleaning needs. The long adjustable extension handle allows you to clean the bathroom comfortably. Item weight: 2.66 pounds. Product dimensions: 41 x 2 x 5 inches. Shape: round, L-shape. Handle material: plastic. Color: 2020 upgraded new. Pros: has waterproof brush heads, comes with durable bristles. Different brushes take care of extra cleaning needs. Heads can be tilted to an angle of 45 degrees. Has a light indicator for the battery. Cons: the length of the extension may be on the lower side. Our reviewer's experience: I came across this option when looking for a brush to clean the shower and tub. It cleans grime well, but may take a couple of go-overs to eliminate tough stains. However, that is made easy by its extendable handle. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.